The Scout X drone from AgRecision may not look like a typical drone seen in commercials, but this unit can do something those can't: stay in flight for at least an hour before the battery runs out. And that makes these drones more efficient for farmers.
The current quadcopters that are normally used in agriculture just are not efficient enough. You're looking usually at around 15, 20 minutes, maybe a little more, and we wanted to do an hour or more. And so we ditched the quadcopter completely and started looking at more efficient designs, which would be fixed wing. Aircraft are more efficient with their fixed wing because you're using the air to, well, float, essentially.
Mansell says they wanted to keep the 4 propellers for takeoff and landing, so the drone could be launched from a small space, such as a trailer or a pickup truck. Once airborne, the drone tilts and becomes a fixed-wing aircraft. The energy drain on the drone's batteries is 1/8 the energy required to constantly spin 4 rotors, so the aircraft can stay in flight much longer before the battery runs out. In aviation terms, this aircraft is called a tail sitter.
We are not the first to use the idea of a tail sitter, but I believe it is unique in the agricultural industry. So essentially the drone is, from an aircraft's perspective, looks like it's sitting on its tail, face up into the air. And so it can take off with the propellers and it can hover, just like a regular quadcopter. But once it's in the air, it does a 90-degree transition into fixed wing mode. And at that point, it's only using about 1/8 the amount of energy that it does in hover mode. And so that quickly allows us to be able to do the long flights that are needed. So that's one of the main innovation aspects, is incorporating a tail sitter into this.
Mansell gave the winning presentation at this year's bullpen competition during the Virginia Farm Bureau's annual convention held at the Homestead in Bath County. Officially known as the Agriculture and Forestry Innovation Challenge, think of it as Shark Tank for agriculture. The 5 finalists have 5 minutes to pitch a panel of judges from agricultural, legal, government, and financial backgrounds.
Each finalist will take home $2,500. The winner will receive an additional $10,000. The runner-up will receive an additional $5,000, and the People's Choice Award winner will win an additional $2,500.
The award is unencumbered, meaning there aren't the restrictions that come with many research grants.
If they want to use that money to purchase packaging supplies, they can do that. If they want to use it to install a new air conditioning unit in their manufacturing building or something of that nature, that's on them. It's totally whatever they need the money for.
AgRecision's chief executive officer says the award money will help the company purchase a thermal camera for their tail sitter drone, allowing it to scan livestock such as cattle or predators such as coyotes, day or night.
We're here to help farmers and make farm life better for farmers, and that is our final and end result, is to help the farmer save money and save time.
Warren and her husband grow cotton, wheat, soybeans, and peanuts in Southampton County and understand the shortcomings of conventional drones in agriculture. The tail sitter is a scout drone, not designed for major spraying, but they have plans for similar drones that can spray using larger payloads. The drone costs $35,000 and another $3,000 a year for the software subscription, which should pay for itself from reduced chemical use.
We believe in rapid iteration, so fail as fast as possible and move on to the next thing and then go from there.
Whether it's designing drones or batteries, AgRecision is poised to play an important role in developing technology that will be critical to agriculture today and in the future. In Allegheny County, I'm Burke Moeller reporting.
Yeah.